Is anyone out there like me who does hobbyist drone flying and you are out in the wilderness, or maybe you only have access to grass? Now, obviously, if you're around a whole bunch of cement, it's no big deal to take off. But once you start throwing this into any form of lush environment, you can see that those blades, those props, do not spin freely. This I actually ended up getting rid of, and I regretted getting rid of it. And yes, make fun of me if you'd like, but I actually went back and bought it once again because I've tried other drone, helicopter, UAV pads, and this one is absolutely the best one because it is, first of all, heavy enough that it actually crushes down the grass once you put it on there. There are some lightweight ones that you stake out. I would not recommend those because some environments, some gravel type environments, you can't actually get the stakes in there. So you actually need something slightly heavier. Granted, once again, it's only 14.5 ounces, so it doesn't make or break you on a day hike. But as you can see, now the blades spin freely and they are not hitting any kind of grassy area. Now, one other thing I want to keep in mind is how you fold this thing. And first of all, go ahead and put the gray up and then fold it like a book, like so, and then simply collapse it like a Z. So if we were to have it like this, see how it looks like a Z, and that's how it folds up. You can actually fold it up in any particular fashion, but that is the most compact way. And as you can see, this would easily slip into a day pack.